Bueno, este, venga.
I guess I don't know where this attitude and everything's coming from, and he just starts. He sees me and he starts trying to.
Pasa un poquito para adelante aquí. Wow. Ah, Stewart, tío, con la cagua 2,5, 2 tiempos. ¿Quién es el otro? El 14, Wyndham. Wow. Wyndham con la 4,5. Stewart con la cagua 2,5 tiempos.
James looked over like, sorry man, I have the inside. Yeah, you come around the outside and pass me, but I think if you're Kevin, you're probably feeling like you had the pass made. He was ahead. He was almost a half a bike ahead. Kevin had the right idea. He was thinking.
I didn't mean to knock him down,
Te
but
lo
I
repiten
meant
3 veces,
that.
tío. Ahí se la va a devolver, ¿no? O va buscando devolvérsela.
And then I was so scared going up
Ya lo
on the
deja
podium,
pasar.
you know? I was like, oh God, I'm gonna go up here. I'm probably gonna get.
Lo ha dejado pasar.
You know what? I'm out of here.
Oh, he wants us inside, leaves it wide open.
Charry Danji.
Reed takes him hard. Boy, Reed's giving him no quarter.
Mira, qué cabrón, tío. Hasta para salirse ya del circuito. ¿Os habéis dado cuenta, no? Y va Danji haciendo así con la cabeza, diciendo, anda, tira para adelante, mira. Vamos a ponerlo otra vez. Ya ha terminado la carrera, ¿eh? Ya ha terminado la carrera. Para salirse, mira. Y se la va a meter. Bueno, fíjate. Hasta el otro, venga, anda, pasa. Y va haciendo así. Anda, tira para adelante.
He's definitely got something out for us. I don't understand, but you know, trying to cut across the track and take us out, it's really uncalled for. You know, it's not very mature.
Honestly, I don't know where the you know, where it's coming from.
Oh, it is. No doubt about it.
Danji es que era un piloto que era un martillo pilón el tío, no... Era raro que fallase. Ese Villopoto era el 3, ¿no? No, Tomac. Villopoto era el 2. Que no recuerdo más. Y Charry es verdad que ha sido un pilotazo, tío, una leyenda viva. Pero como se le cruzara el cable y se pusiera guarrete... Mira.
There's Dungy looking for Reed.
Oh, no doubt about it.
That's who he wants to see, Chad Reed.
Well, and this is just the type of distraction that Dungy doesn't need.
Wow.
Hey, the Twitter sphere is going to be blowing up tonight.
And Reed, a 2-time champion.
I have to ask, do you understand why with you and Chad Reed?
It's incredible.
Your patience was a little bit tested tonight with you and Chad Reed. I have to ask, do you understand why he wasn't moving over for you, and what was the frustration there from you?
I'm just not going to waste my time talking about it.
Porque esto hablando no nos cuadra.
Down to the whoop section.
Here comes Travis
125, ¿no?
take over the lead.
Number 29, Travis Preston, number 29 takes
125 por el sonido, pero no se ve nada.
Race mistake by Gosler and then Tate.
No se ve nada, qué pena.
Number 1.
Y la calidad.
Unbelievable. Looked like Gosler had a definite run on him going down the left, but Tane lost his momentum and wandered right into his line.
Tane ends up finishing 5th.
Well, Stewart certainly had a wild ride.
Mira la RM 125, la CRC. ¡Uyo! La IZF después. Stewart con la cagua 125. Eso no creo yo, eso no fue a costa. Mira, ahí. Eso no se hace, tío. Eso no se hace. Ya termina la carrera. Wow. Eso fue no hace mucho.
as he gets
Temporada pasada, creo recordar.
And Anderson, rather than getting to his bike, has Alex Ray on top of him.
Lo que quiere pichar.
Yeah, Alex Ray just completely gets crossed up. Jason Anderson and just jumps right into him. He is not happy with Alex Ray. We're gonna have to take a look at that here shortly, but I can't believe that.
Yo en ese caso no sabría deciros, porque cada uno lleva una trazada, uno va haciendo como doble, otro como triple. Yo qué sé, tío, eso... Yo no sabría decir de quién es culpa, pero lo que está claro que no es aposta. Este es antiguo también, pero... ¡Guau! La Suzuki arrancando la pata. Bueno, estaba arrancando, no sabía ya
Patterson's got the lead with a white flag coming out. She goes down, gives up the lead, but that's okay. She won the first moto. Just get up, get second place, and everything will be fine. She can try to win it then. But look at this.
From out of nowhere, the number 22 of Dinah Carter out of Hilliard, Florida comes out and basically takes Jessica Patterson out. And we'll take a look at that one more time from our AMS oil replay in a whole new angle.
Well, it's hard. You're landing from a jump and turning. There's
es femenino, creo, no ponía Jessica. Ponía Jessica. Está potente ahí, ahí a levantarle la moto a pulso. Jessica Patterson.
Weimer looks like he's got the spot. Kiesel's trying to hold on to it. He hasn't made a main event yet this year.
Whoa.
Jacking them both down. And Ray slides right through. And then problems continuing for Jake Weimer, who's now looking at it.
Was a little bit out of control. And Weimer, now he gets out of control. Like, what were you thinking right there?
Wow. O sea que en una caída de esa te parte una clavícula más rápido y más ligero, ¿eh?
Where'd that come from?
Yeah, I don't know what to say about that because it was
caes así a plomo de lado, tío, y...
Yeah, I don't know what he was thinking. He was just being an idiot out there.
Full man in here, Brock Weber alongside me. Former rider here, one of the first American riders to come over to Perry Bursey 29 years ago. And everybody, got riders down here. Look at that. Weimer's gone down. Barsha's down. Right across the outside, put it across Justin Barsha. Not sure if it's his foot that got wrapped around Barsha's front wheel that lost him all of those spokes, but obviously Gregory Randa knowing something here this weekend. Obviously,
mira, lo está esperando el tío.
Oh, we have a confrontation over here. Barsha
este capaz de ser el Arena Cross, este que fuera bestial, tío. Ahí le faltaba sacar el martillo para darse.
And this is going to be a very unpopular decision in the French crowd.
Tiene pinta de la Arena Cross este, mira. A que se le haga puñetazo. Bueno, pues has dicho Barcia. O lo has dicho, se está marcando Justin Barcia.
Now look what Aranda's doing. Aranda's actually laying in the track and having to be physically removed by the corner marshals.
Yeah. And the crowd going, look at this, they're loving the
800 era Alessi. Pero ¿qué es lo que ha pasado ahí, no ves?
Oh, absolutely. This crowd will erupt the next time Justin Barsha shows up on the racetrack.
Eso sí es un lance de carrera, tío. Eso... creo yo, vamos.
He'll probably be the king of Bursey. And here comes Barsha, a walkout to make up with Greg Aranda, which is a sportsman thing he should do.
Pues ya no, esto aquí. Yo eso lo veo un lance de carrera, pero es que hay que tener la cabeza un poquito... Es comprensible que en la adrenalina de la carrera y tal, que no se piense mucho las cosas, pero... una caída de esa plomo, tío, es que te lesiona más rápido y más ligero, ¿eh? Y yo qué sé, tío, no... Hay ocasiones como esta última, creo yo, que son inevitables, porque en la salida, si te hace un extraño la moto o lo que sea, va todo el mundo apelotonado, pues te puede dar un toque con alguien. Pero ir expresamente a buscarlo, a esperarlo, para tirarlo, yo qué sé, tío, yo qué sé. Se supone que son pilotos profesionales, se supone no, lo son, y hay que mantener unos mínimos, tío, creo yo. Yo creo que sí. Pero vamos, lo tenemos bautizado como se han marcado un Barcia. Se han marcado un Barcia. Madre mía. Mamma mía.